One large format metal laser cutting machine after another is loaded onto the trucks for shipment. From the initial product consultation, to the on-site inspection of the factory, and then to placing orders for purchase, customers have witnessed every step of Baiwei's large format metal laser cutting machine, from production to debugging. The integrated plate welded bed, paired with the cast crossbeam, enables stable cutting in large batches over an extended period, with extremely high cutting precision and a very small error range. Precisely because of such outstanding performance and reliable quality, it has won the full trust of customers. The fact that Baiwei's large format metal laser cutting machines are being shipped out one after another is a powerful testament to the product's strength and the trust of customers. We would like to express our gratitude to both new and old customers for their trust and support. We wish all the bosses prosperous businesses and great wealth.
Nice.